If you love your penis, this video is for you. Let's talk about 10 things you should never do to your penis and why they matter more than you think. 1. Don't ignore it. Your erections reflect your overall health. If they're not strong, your heart or hormones might need attention. 2. No home remedies. DIY tricks and online hacks can do more harm than good. Avoid anything promising instant size or strength. 3. Keep it clean, but gently. Wash with mild soap, and if you have a foreskin, always clean and dry underneath to prevent infection. 4. Don't ignore warning signs. Pain, sores, or swelling. Don't wait. See a doctor. Early care makes all the difference. 5. Be safe and stay in control. Use lube, use protection. Avoid rough moves that can cause painful injuries like penile fractures. 6. Don't overheat it. Hot tubs, laptops, or tight pants can hurt sperm production and testosterone levels. 7. Go easy during solo time. Avoid overly tight grips that your partner can't replicate. It can desensitize you over time. 8. Quit smoking. Smoking narrows blood vessels and can lead to permanent erection issues. 9. Don't shame yourself. Performance anxiety is real. Be kind to yourself. Stress only makes it worse. 10. Use it or lose it. Regular erections help keep tissue healthy. Don't let stress or fear shut things down. Take care of your body, and your confidence will follow.